Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add and start using Microsoft Copilot in Excel. For that, first of all, you need to make sure that you have the right Excel version. So Copilot is available in Microsoft 365 and not in the standalone Excel version. So you will first of all need to activate your Microsoft 365 business or enterprise subscription with the Copilot access enabled. In order to do that, you will have to first of all come at microsoft.com. Over here on this page, you will see these types of Microsoft 365 family. So here click on the buy option here, and then you will be landed on this page where you will have to provide your details. So here you need to provide your details and complete your purchase. Here, after purchasing it, you need to make sure that you have added the Copilot access in your Excel. Also ensure that Excel is updated to the latest version through the Microsoft 365 app or the Office update tool. So once you are done with it, simply open your Excel and sign in using your Microsoft 365 account that has Copilot access. If you are unsure whether your Excel has the Copilot access, you just have to check that with the help of your admin panel. For that, you will have to again come at microsoft.com, or you can type account.microsoft.com, then log into your account, and in your account you just have to see whether the Copilot is available in your Excel account or not. So once it is enabled successfully, you will see your Copilot icon in your home tab. So this is the home tab if you have the Copilot available, and just like this GPT one, you will see the Copilot icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you can just click on that and open the Copilot panel. After that, you can start using Copilot in your Excel sheet very easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.